So I'm Joshua Donnell. I am a journeyman plumber. License for the city is 1740. License for the county is 000035. So I'm gonna show you guys how to change a pilot light on a ream style water heater. It's called Richmond, which is another form of ream, just another style. So give me one sec. Just get your bag of goodies right here. Okay. And then this is your new pilot light right here. The one we took out, I'll show you here in a second. You're gonna take it, and you're gonna feed it through this hole right here. Okay. See where that seal's nice and tight? Okay. And then you're gonna take this, you're gonna bend it down like so. And you're gonna connect it right there. It comes with a new screw for it. This is this little monster right here. Oop, almost lost it. And then you see you get two gaskets. The back of it's magnetic. That's what those little beads are. It's a magnet. Okay. And you're gonna screw this down. Sorry. I'm gonna screw this down. Screw that down. And like I said, as you can see, it's magnetic. I'm trying to get this where y'all can see it. So there's the orifice hole right there. And there's a hole right there that's gonna go into. Take this thing. It goes up, just like so. Slide it in the hole. And you're also want to get some extra goodies with this, which I'm going to stick in a bag for the homeowner. Okay. Extra filter. So if there's ever a problem again, stick it all back in the box. Like you see, there's the box right there. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take these are T20 screws, which I have a bit for that. You're gonna take this thing, line it up with the hole. Gotta make sure it's positioned right, otherwise the holes won't match. Make sure the holes match the holes that you see. Okay. So it's a T20 screw, like I said. And I'm kind of up close and personal. I gotta lay down to see this. There's one. There's one. There's two. There's three. And there's four. Let's make Make sure it's tight. Okay. Make sure it's tight. Hey, what was that? Sound like a gun. Did you guys hear that? Crazy. It's all good. Doesn't stop us from working. Doesn't keep us from flowing. So now, these boxes. You can see the connections right there. Okay. So this goes right down central. Right down central. And then just retighten the screw. Okay, just get it hand tight and starting it. You don't have to go crazy. That's gonna feed inside of it, okay? This right here. This is your pilot light. So we're gonna bring that behind this one right here and plug it into the top. Okay, there's your pilot light. You see that's plugged in? We're gonna take this one right here. That goes in right there. And then it's about lining them up because you gotta get them straight to make the holes work or make the screws work. There it is right there. So now, we're gonna take this one, plug it in right there. And that is how you change. And then we're gonna go through. You can use a crescent wrench or channel locks. I recommend you use a crescent wrench. It's tight. Crescent wrench. Just hear that loud boom. And then we're gonna turn the gas back on. Gas is on. Hold the pilot for about 15 seconds. So hold the pilot for about 15 seconds. There it is. I got a flame. Flame that. Here's your flame. There's a flame right there. Okay. Gotta spin it the right way though. Gotta spin it the right way though. Okay. There she is. And she's lit, as you can see. Hey Trisha! There it is, man. Simple.